Well, hello everyone and welcome to this GMIS digital series. What do you think the disruption from coronavirus might be for global supply chains?
The barriers that COVID-19 has imposed affect regional trade as much as it affects global trade. In fact, in some circumstances, regional trade is more impacted.
The possibility of thinking that we can be better off if we source locally. The fourth industrial revolution, the new technologies may be allowing to do that at a cheaper cost.
This pandemic may accelerate the trend of production automation, and we know that this trend may reduce some of the opportunities in low-scale manufacturing. So developing countries, even they will lose some advantages, but they may find new opportunities in supplying the growing demand for digital services.
They need a better integration to global markets and to world markets in order to be able to continue the path to growth.
Those multinational companies, when they react to this crisis by looking for new sources of supply, they will be guided by standard economic advantages, existing manufacturing capacity, competitive labor costs, skilled workforce, and trade agreements.
I think really it's hard time to try to devise ways of building, for instance, industrial policies with a multi-stakeholder approach. We really have to achieve some kind of collaboration and policies that reinforce each other. Because of course, educational policies will at the end have to do something with the insertion of labor, into this newly technified atmosphere of work.
The biggest way to transfer skills is the supply chain itself. It's the supply chain and its dynamics which enables the skills flow to happen in a manner that is both effective as well as resourceful.